Hello guys, welcome to the Forex Simul Trading, and this is Imran with you. So today I'm going to analyze Nifty for tomorrow, that is on Friday 3rd of April. So guys, if you will see the Nifty at 4-hour time frame, so the last time Nifty did the liquidity sweep from here, that is 26,230, okay, and then after its lower swing is like 22,000, okay. So today what the market did, market opened the gap down to here 22,720, and then continuously it was falling, and it break this support 22,280, okay, and came to 22,200, okay, and then again it went up to the level 22,750 and did the liquidity sweep, okay. So if you will come at 30-minute time frame, guys, you will see the clear picture of the Nifty. So here, so Nifty first in the morning, what happened, it was gap down from here to here, okay, and then Nifty came down to 22,200, and then after it went upside to fill this gap, okay, here 22,750. So if Nifty will come downside tomorrow, then you will see the downside targets, like it should come to take all this liquidity. All the buyers are here, okay, so the buyers get induced here, and if break this one 20,200, then it should come to the like 22,000. This is the target you can get in the downside in the Nifty, okay. So Nifty remain bearish if it will remain down to like 22,900. So once it will go to the 22,900 upside, if suppose the Nifty open to the 20,900 upside, then in the upside you will see the targets like 23,040 and 23,100. This is the target you will see. So let's come on the 5-minute time frame. Here, this is the clear picture of the Nifty. So what I'm saying, this is very important support, like 22,930, guys, this one, okay, got my point. So if market open the gap up, okay, above 22,930, then upside you will see the targets like 23,000, 23,000 40, and then after 23,100, this is the target you will see in the buy side, okay. And if suppose Nifty if fall from here or open the gap down, then the downside you will see the targets like 22,580 and 22,500, okay, and 22,360 and 22,240 and 22,200. If break this 22,200, then you will see the downside, the final target like 22,000. So this is the analysis of the Nifty. So guys, how you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, so that whenever I post new video, you will get updated. Okay, bye.